Hello, everyone. This is Wilson Cole. I'm president of Backdoor Hiring Solutions and also Adams, Evans, and Ross. And I want to talk to you guys about the main industries that we're starting to see backdoor hires in. For the last 2 or 3 years running, the number one industry for backdoor hires has been medical. Of course, the number one position has always been sales, things on those lines, but the industry that was most affected by backdoor hires, about 1 out of 500 presentations versus an average of about 1 out of 700 presentations turns into a backdoor hire. But the medical industry has been dethroned. The number one industry was actually over in manufacturing. And I think that is because we're starting to see a lot of the manufacturing base come back into the United States. And so they're gearing up, and if they can cut out a few expenses, including your fee, it all makes sense. It also that you have a lot of private equity firms, and that's kind of a theme that you're seeing quite a bit, at least from us, to where we're seeing more and more private equity-backed companies come in here for collections, but they're coming in and they're buying the manufacturing facility, they're leveraging it up with tons of debt, and then go ahead and bring in new talent and try to get away without having to pay you, just simply trying to backdoor. If you'd like to have us run a backdoor hire for you guys or take a look at one of our demos, go to our website at backdoorhires.com, book a demo, and we'd love to work with you. If we can help you with collections over on the Adams, Evans, and Ross side, visit us at staffingdebt.com. Thank you.
Hey guys, it's Wilson again, and this video was brought to you by Backdoor Hiring Solutions. And if you like the content, make sure that you click the like button, and also if you want to receive additional, then please make sure to subscribe to our channel. If you'd like to learn more about our software, visit our website at backdoorhires.com. And then also, if you'd like a copy of my free book, The Top 9 Excuses, please click in the notes below, and there's a link where you can get this book absolutely free. Just simply pay for shipping and handling. Thank you.